So I always want to have that perfect manicure, but I don't take the time or the money to go to the salon to get that gel manicure. And I always want to try to do it at the house, but then I will use the polishes that take forever to dry and they end up getting smudged, and I will have them looking all pretty, but then I just can't sit still long enough to let them actually set. So I have been looking for an at home that I can do that is quick, easy, will last a long time. So today I want to share with you how to do an at-home gel set. And I'm going to be including some nail polishes from the brand Nail Reserve. So they did kindly send me a UV lamp that I'm going to show you in just a moment, and two color choices that I picked out myself to try for you guys. So thank you to Nail Reserve for sending me the UV light and beginner kit, and for sending me these two colors to share with you guys. So I'm kind of new at this. This will be the first time that I've ever done gel nails myself. Now I have occasionally went one or two times to the salon and got some gel nails, but today I'm actually going to do these myself and see how long they're going to last and just how easy it is. So I'm a beginner. So if you're a beginner like me and you want to be able to do an at-home manicure that's going to last a while and it's going to be quick and easy, then you've come to the right place, because I'm a beginner myself. This will be the first time ever doing this. And let's see how it goes. So let's get started. I'm going to tell you what was included in the beginner kit and then just the steps, and I will show you the two swatches because I'm going to use both of these colors on my nails today. And we're just going to go do the entire manicure, and it's going to be in real time. So we're going to see how it goes. These are from Nail Reserve, and this is a Los Angeles based company, and they are cruelty free, and their gel polishes are a soak off gel polish, and they are also vegan as well. And they claim that these polishes will last up to 3 weeks of a perfect manicure. And they've also kindly given me a coupon code for you guys for 50% off. I think it's a minimum of 2 polishes, but I will put it on the screen. It's Amanda P50, and I will also put it in the description box for you guys if you do want to check them out and see what kind of colors of polishes that they have. Then definitely I'll have their website down in the description box along with that coupon code. The beginner kit. So it comes with this mini UV lamp, so you can see how small this box is. I was actually surprised because I didn't realize how many it was going to be. And again, I've not done an at-home gel polish, so I don't have a UV light at home. So this is the only one that I have, and I'm actually charging it right now. So it's actually still attached because I did not charge it before I started to do this video, and I wanted to go ahead and do this and see how this went. So this is the mini size UV lamp. It folds up and then it goes in this box if you want to keep it in this box. So you can travel with this, and it hooks up to a USB port so you can charge this anywhere that you go. And then also with the beginner kit, it came with the remover, and then it also came with the no white top coat and the base coat, which we will be using the base coat and the top coat today. We will not be using the remover because I'm going to go through the time to actually do the manicure. I'm not taking it off today. Then it also comes with the color Sea Swing and Sun. It's a really pretty brownish tone mauve, a really beautiful, like a dusty mauve, but it has that brown undertone in it. So I will actually show you a swatch of this and then just go ahead and take it off my nails because I'm not going to use it with my manicure today. But I do want to let you see the color of this. And then it also comes with the color White Addict. So if you do like that white color, if you like to have the really bright white, I'm not going to do a swatch of this because you know what the white's going to look like. But these are supposed to be a really good full coverage color. Now I did pick some colors that were a little bit darker. Like I picked Heartstone, which is this really pretty pink color. And then I picked the Precious, which I don't know if you can see or not, but it has all this glitter and diamond look to it. So we're going to see, I want to paint one nail on each hand in this and then the rest in this one for a really cute manicure. So we're going to see what these two look like because this is what I'm actually going to use. So the first thing that I want to do is just kind of buff off my nails just ever so slightly, just so I can get anything that might be on there. And then I'm also going to follow up with this by either, you can use an alcohol wipe to get any kind of oils so it'll just really get on there good. But I'm going to just use nail polish remover because I'm going to show you that swatch of the Sea Swing and Sun. I'm going to show you a swatch of it. So I'm just going to go ahead and use the nail polish remover to take that off before I do the actual manicure. So I've buffed the nails to kind of just set them and get it to where that gel nail polish will adhere to them. So that's the first step that I'm gonna do. And then I'm gonna show you the swatch of this Sea, Swing, and Sun. And so let's see how this is going to look. I'm just gonna put it on my thumb. Let you see. So this is kind of a lighter color. It's almost like a nude color once you put it on. So I'm gonna show this to you, and then I'm just going to take this off. So you can see, I should have done this on something other than my thumb so it could show up a little bit better. So there is the Sea, Swing, and Sun. And I guess while I'm at it, I might as well just go ahead and put the white one on too for you to see how it's gonna go on. This is the White Addict. So this is probably gonna need a second coat, I think. It's a little bit more sheer than I thought. I thought it was gonna be a little bit darker. So there's your white right there. If you like the white look, there's the White Addict. And let me go ahead and take these off with the fingernail polish remover, and I'm gonna just do all of my nails as well to just get any of those oils off so this nail polish will adhere to it really good. Okay, so I got the two colors off, and it was really simple to get those off because I did it pretty quickly. And I am just rubbing some nail polish remover on here to just get any kind of those oils off of here. Because I actually, before I did this, I put a cuticle cream. Actually, it's just a hand cream, but I kind of get it down there in the cuticles. I always do that before I will do an at-home manicure. And so I went ahead and did that. And then now I'm getting any of that excess oil that's off of the nail bed with the nail polish remover. And then we'll get started. Let me adjust the camera so you can maybe see a little bit better me actually polishing them and putting them under the light. And then the first thing we're gonna do is put a thin layer of the base on here. And then we'll cure it and start with the polish. So we wanna make sure it's a really thin base on here. And then it says to cure it for 30 seconds. So we're gonna do that, and then we'll start with the polish. Okay, so we have one hand done, and then I'm gonna hit it one time for the 30 seconds. And it looks like this is so many that I can't get the thumb in there at the same time. So we're gonna do the 30 seconds on the 4 fingers, and then we'll do it again for the thumb because it doesn't look like I have room under there without hitting against the sides for everything. So I guess that is one of the disadvantages of having a mini lamp, is that you're not going to be able to get all your hand in there at one time. But then an advantage is that you can travel with it if you want to travel with it. We will wait our 30 seconds, and then I will do the thumb. Okay, so I did the 4 fingers first, and then I did the thumb. And so we've got that in there for 30 seconds. That was one hit. If you press it one time, it's for 30 seconds. 2 times would be for 45 seconds. So I'm just going to do the same thing for this hand, and I'm going to put a thin layer of that base on these. Okay, now that I'm finished with this, I'm going to do the same thing on this hand. I'll put the 4 fingers in first on the lamp, and then we will do the thumb as well. Okay, so now I'm finished with the base coat. Let's get into the color. So the first color that I'm going to use is the one that I'm going to just use on one finger on each hand, and that's the Precious. It's this one right here. You can see kind of the top of this one. So I'm just going to put this one on my ring finger on each side just to give it a little sparkle. You can see what that looks like. Really cute. It's going to just add a little bit of fun. Again, I read where you want to put thin layers, not thick layers on here. And then you can always use 2 coats if you want to use 2 coats. What I'm going to do is just see what one coat looks like. Okay, so that is the Precious. You can see that right there. That's the Precious on that one. And then we're going to use Heartstone for the rest of the hands. And you can see what Heartstone looks like. It's a really pretty pink color. At least I'm hoping it is. And I'll show it to you on one finger here. So that's a really pretty color. That's coming on really pretty. And then let me just go ahead and do the same for all of the fingers, and I will come right back. So I thought I'd just go ahead and come back when I'm finishing up on the last 2, because I decided that I'm probably going to do the 2 presses on the lamp for 45 seconds. These ended up being a little bit thicker of a coat than I originally planned for them to be. And I'm trying to even them out so there's no swirl marks or anything on there. But I think I'm going to try to cure them a little bit longer than 30 seconds. I'm going to do the 45 seconds on here. But I wanted to show you what they looked like before I actually put them under the lamp. So this is the Heartstone that is on all the fingers, and then the Precious is the one in the middle. So you can see what these look like. So I'm going to go ahead and cure these for 45 seconds, and then I'll come back. Here is what it looks like after the first thin layer, and then I did cure for 45 seconds, but I'm not real satisfied. I think I want to put another coat on here. I'm just going to finish this up here. Put it under the lamp for 45 more seconds on each hand and come back. So now this is what it looks like after 2 coats being cured. And then the last thing that we're going to do is do the no wipe top, put the top coat on and cure it as well. So I did all of that off camera just because I had to do the 45 seconds for the thumb, the 45 seconds for one hand, and same on the other hand. So it took 3 minutes. So instead of doing all of that on camera or fast forwarding through that, I did just do that off camera to save some time. And so now I'm putting the top coat on and I'm going to cure it in the same way. And then we will look at the finished product and see what you guys think for a first-time person doing their gel nails at home. Okay, guys, this is the finished product. So you can see how cute the little Precious, I think it's called the Precious, is on this finger, how shiny they look. They do really look pretty, and I'm actually impressed with the first time that I've ever done gel nails at home, how they turned out. So you can see the up close of these. I think this color is really pretty. This is Heartstone, and the Precious is the shiny gemstone looking one. I think it's really pretty colors, a great neutral color, and I just wanted to give you my final thoughts. So I did think that this was a little bit easier than I thought it was going to be. So I did want to also tell you a little bit about my thoughts on the polish. I think the polish is great. Colors are pretty. I think it gave a good coverage on there. I would have liked to have been able to just do 1 coat, but I do feel like most of the time you have to do 2 coats anyway. And I think that the ones that come with the beginner kit are really pretty too. This Sea Swinging Sun, and then the white. Everybody loves a white nail every once in a while, and so that is really good as well. So I want to give you my thoughts about the beginner kit though. So this little mini LED lamp, I have a little bit of thoughts about this. It's cute and it's lightweight, so it is nice to travel with if you are going to be doing your nails on a trip and you need to travel, then this is great. But the stand itself is a little bit flimsy, and I did not like the fact that I could not put all my whole hand. So like my whole hand is not going to fit under that and get it all. So I actually had to do 2 times for each hand because I could only put the 4 fingers down, and then I had to do the thumb separately. So that's one of the drawbacks of this little mini LED light. For the price of this, you're getting this, and you're getting the base, you're getting the remover, and you're getting 2 other colors with it. But for the price of this one, I would say just get a regular lamp elsewhere that's a little bit bigger, and you don't have to do 2 different times on here. But this was a cute little design as far as if you want it for traveling. That's great for traveling with. And then you can always buy the base and the top coat separately on their website along with all of their other beautiful colors. But there are a lot of colors that they have. It was really hard to just choose 2 colors from their selection. There's a lot of beautiful colors, summer colors, fall colors, just really pretty shimmers, glitters, mattes, just really pretty colors, and I am satisfied with the colors that I picked out. I thought the polish was great. I thought the whole process was good, but just the mini LED light, I could have done without it and just used a regular lamp because it did take a little bit more time. So I hope that you have enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Also, I would love to have you consider hitting that subscribe button. I do weekly videos on fashion, beauty, and lifestyle. I hope to see you in my next video, and until then, I hope you have a wonderful day.